Why? There's nothing to do. What should I make a video of? What should I make a video of? Where'd you get those?
My dream.
Well, hey guys, right here. And Udi, today we're gonna be doing the.
My hair's a mess.
Yeah, he didn't actually wake up. We're just.
Okay, shut up. Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna try
Warheads.
these Warheads.
Roy's got the
Sour dippers. We never ever tried these.
I have.
Oh, he has. I don't know. But I never. So we're gonna open it.
Wait. I got sour blueberry. You got green apple.
I got green apple. He got sour blueberries. Oh.
Alright, so.
Alright.
Oh, smell it.
Oh, that's really good. So this is how it comes. It comes with the
Lollipop.
that's a lollipop, and this is the powder. Wait, mine's like a blue.
It's like a greenish, like bluish, greenish. Oh, it smells from here.
Mine's like a. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a
I don't know if I can open this.
turquoise.
My birthday's coming up next month.
That and
I think I know how mine tastes. Ah!
but
I hit myself.
these are hard to open.
Hey, my cousin has superpowers. I ain't lying. He can see the future.
Fire.
Sorry for the ugly faces. Ugh!
What happened?
That's nasty. The only thing I like about this candy is just the powder. Try yours.
Trying to open it. Stop sniffing it.
I can't smell anything because of your sauce. There's slobber.
My lips are blue.
You already ate them, didn't you? Prove it.
I'm Lady Gaga.
Open this. I'm gonna tell them something. So, right now we're recording for 3 minutes now. But when we're visiting my shut up music. Oh, whoop. Okay. When we're when we're on my brother's house, he lives in Texas. The funny thing is that my niece Mia, she is adorable and funny. You know why? She's like, cause she was playing with her mom's makeup, and then next thing you know, she just comes up to me and she says, "Sit down." Right? She's like 1 year old, 2. She's 2, and then she's just applying makeup on my eyes and everywhere on my face. And then I come up to my sister, I'm like, "I'm Lady Gaga."
I'm Lady Gaga.
I'm Lady Gaga. So you guys look my book.
No one wants to know about your book.
I got this in the library.
Finally I'm opening it.
Taste it already.
You know what? The third post is so gross.
Oh.
The powder is sour.
I got blue, he got green. Sorry. butt. This is Lady Gaga's.
No, I'm more Lady Gaga.
Ooh.
Wait up.
Oh, sour.
Lady Gaga. I'm Miley Cyrus. Oh, we got powder all over her bed. So that's it. It's only 5 minutes. It's
Wait, by the way. If we can, oh my god.
What?
My lips.
Okay. Peace out, guys.
Wait.
This tastes so good. I recommend a 5. 5.
Okay. Oh snap, I'm trolling. Okay, one thing. We're gonna be uploading a video that we uploaded like the 25th?
Yeah.
No, August 25th. And we're gonna check it right now because I'm not sure if it's good or not. Because
Peace out.
if it's not, we're not uploading it. Subscribe for my Lady Gaga.
Comment down below who's more of a girly person. Peace out. And I know it's a 7-minute video.